Every, Hello everybody, do you want to know how to put tags in your description? Well, I'm going to show you how, and it's kind of complicated but also easy. And so the first thing you do is see Candy Crush Gameplay. This is my second channel, by the way. So, just Candy Crush is a tag, right? So, I'm playing Candy Crush. And if you can, add that in a human way as possible. What I mean by human way, I mean in a way that you can read it and understand it. So our way I can do this is, as we now step up playing the Candy Crush app game. So I could put two tags in there now. Candy Crush, an app game, and then combine them, put Candy Crush app game. So, example, now I'm going to go to the tags. Insert tags, by the way. And let's see it right there. So for app, game, and now that's the tags. So the way to do this is, first you want to think of a tag. And then put that tag in the description. But first, when you think of the tags, put them in the tags in here. That way you know what to put in your description. And the way to do that is to look at your title. Because you can want your tags around the title. That ain't very much of a title, but okay. I'm gonna save that because that's pretty good. Then I'm gonna go back to my other channel. And go to edit. I must add audience for this and not for kids. That will make it more targeted to audience, which is essential. Okay, so how to gain views without subscribers for small YouTubers. So this is a great example. So how to gain views without subscribers. That should be your first tag. And then it says gain views. Support more views. How to grow on YouTube. And also relevant, they're okay. Now I will tell you that don't put any relevant tags, like PewDiePie or Mr. Beast. That's against YouTube guidelines, and this won't help you. So yeah, you want to put your tags in your description. So here's my description. How to gain views without subscribers. If you're looking for starting out on YouTube and you want those views, so you put a tag right there, views. without subscribers. I tell you your way to do some without subscribers. I also put subscribers 3 times, actually 4 times. That's what you want to do.